Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Glance LED error code E308. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users are using the scroll, especially after an adjacent update. Some users also have reported that the error happens sporadically and is occurring more frequently. According to our research, this error may be related to a network issue. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to reset your Wi-Fi router. Simply power off your router, then unplug it from the power source, then wait for a few seconds, and then power it back on. Once your router restarts, check if this helps with the error. If the error still comes, then we suggest you reach out to the customer support team. You can go to the official website and find the contact details at the contact page. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.